Today's my birthday, and I wanted to share a message that, if you could share one message, what would it be? So here's my attempt at what's most alive for me right now, which is the idea that we all want love, safety, and belonging. It's kind of a unifying idea. And my belief is that the centralization of everything, how we do everything from take care of our trash to get our health care to you name it, is outside of our community. So our food, water, energy is all managed outside of our community. So we've created a system that has broken our community ties. And I think the key to us being more generative in our life and have more fulfillment is to recreate those community ties. And I think what that looks like is local economic empowerment. So this means decentralized food, water, energy, local. Local for as much as we can. Local finance. That's where we invest. That's where we reshift our dollars over time. But I think it requires us making a commitment together to actually get there. And it means looking at where we're at today in regards to spending locally and saying, hey, I'm going to 10x that. Today it's 2%. Over the next 6 months, it's going to be 20%. And I don't know how we're going to get there yet, but we're going to get there. And if you're watching this and this appeals to you, imagine being a community health ambassador, for this cause, standing for local economic empowerment and helping us come together financially, physically, emotionally, locally, to recreate true well-being. And this feels necessary. It feels possible. With the technology, we can easily connect to one another. And in an age where we've all been distracted by technology, this is an opportunity to take it back. True local empowerment. And I think that's what true love, safety, and belonging is. We feel most safe when we know where our base needs are coming from. So that's the dream that I'm living into today and each day. And thank you for hearing me out and sharing my birthday.